afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, guys. I am going home now. I actually going to stay in there, in one of the table there, because I have a fish and chips here. I bought it from Corlet store, and yeah, I'm going to eat it there. And you know what? If you notice, the way, this pathway is very clean. They just cleaned it, and I am the first one who passed through there. Yeah, there are no other sign of the bike. My leg today is a little bit in pain because of the workout that I did yesterday. But it feels good. Yesterday I did 30 kg. Nice. Nice. Did you see that lorikeet? Beautiful. I just went there to check how it looks like, and it's the same, beautiful. Ready for work. Yeah, that is how it is called here in Australia. I need to wear, especially when I am biking in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I need to have 4 layers of clothes. Yeah, I usually wear already my uniform when I leave home. Yeah, so I have undershirt, and then my uniform, and then a long sleeve, and then a sweater or a jacket. Yeah, that's very cold. And then under I also wear my trouser, and then my jogging pants, and then I have a gloves, and then a bonnet. That's very cold, man. Good afternoon, guys. How are you? Oh. Yeah, how are you today? I'm good. Yeah, I just finished my duty, and the same. I'm going home now. Yeah. There are bikers along the way. No matter what they do. Oh yeah, this is one of the condominium of Lights residence.
Are you gonna play Fortnite standing up tonight? Oh, I'm gonna put it in my bed. We should do it standing up.
Hey guys, good evening. So I am basically watching the YouTube video of Luke Bowers. Luke Bowers is a American teenager living with his family in the Philippines. Yeah, so basically I noticed this condominium. This is one from the SMDC and SM Development Corporation. And you know what? Before I am supposed to have a unit in Lights Residence, a condo units in Lights Residence in Bonnie Avenue in Mandaluyong City, but I failed. Yeah, I already paid them 200,000 pesos. But in the end, I didn't able to get the condominium unit. It was a failure, but it is okay. It is better that I didn't able to get that. So basically what happened is that in 2012, I was working in Dubai, and then I went to the Philippines for a 1 month vacation. And while I was walking in the shopping mall, I saw this units of Lights Residence. Yeah, they have a sample units of Lights Residence in the shopping mall in SM. And basically the size is almost the same like this apartment. This one is just a little bigger. Yeah. So yeah, I decided to get one, and 1 bedroom in a 35 floor. Amazing. Yeah. So I paid them 15,000, no, 20,000 pesos as reservation fee. And then I signed some documents like a formalization, something like that. And then I went back to Dubai, and every month I am sending them 20,000 pesos. And in 2015 I already accumulate around 200,000 pesos. And in 2015 is also the time that the units are ready to be occupied, and they are already asking the people to come to do that, because they are already giving the keys of the houses of those condominium units. So in 2015, I went to the Philippines because of that, and I went to the office of SMDC. I met my agent, and we went to the bank for the in-house, what's that, bank financing application, loan, something like that. But the bank said that I am not qualified for the bank financing loan because my salary is not enough, that I needed to have what do you call that, a co-borrower, I don't know. Yeah, but so basically I didn't able to apply for the bank financing loan because they told me that my salary is not qualified. So I decided to think about it, and then the time I realized that I think it is better not to take this condominium unit, because that condominium unit is 1.7 million pesos, and with bank financing the cheapest that I can afford to pay that is within 25 years. So I need to pay that for 25 years, and I feel that 25 years is very long, not good for me to pay that. It means that with my 3,000 dirhams salary in Dubai, it will keep me on working in Dubai for so long. Yeah, 25 years. Can you imagine that? Yeah, that's very long. So I decided not to continue. I decided not to have that condominium units. Yeah, I realized that it is better not to have a house than having a big obligation, 25 years of obligation of paying that apartment. It means that, yeah, I really need to work hard. Obligation, that the thing that I don't like is this obligation, mate. And it's very long time. So I decided not to get that condominium unit. So yeah, I went back to Dubai, and then through email I told them that I am not going to continue, and that is what happened. They give me back the 45% of the money that I paid them. That's around less than 100,000 pesos. So basically I already paid them around 200,000 pesos, and they give me just less than 100,000 pesos back. Yeah, and it's okay that they give me that money, and they got more than that money. But yeah, it is okay because 25 years is very long, and I don't like that. Yeah, so basically the money that I got from that they gave back to me, that is the money that I used to to process the documents coming to Australia, to come to Australia. Yeah, so it's like a blessing in disguise that I didn't continue that condominium units in Lights residence, because possibility is that I will still be working in Dubai and will not experience the good life here in Australia. Yeah. Thank you to the bank for not approving my bank financing loan. Yeah. I think I'm, yeah. I always very thankful to, creator for leading my way. Yeah, salamat po. Thank you very much. Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. We are going to the gym, but first we're going to eat in KFC. I just finished my duty. $5. Yeah, we are now in the gym. Look at this, there's one beautiful bike here. It's giant. Looks very beautiful. Yeah, I just finished the gym and going home now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Oops. My left eye is a little bit itchy. Afternoon. Yeah, it's red. It's color red. This one. Afternoon. Afternoon, sir. Yeah, this one is red. You can see it's red on the, yeah, just on the